Jonas got an Uber Nerf gun for his birthday from Dad. He says he knows how to use. Go on the grass. Go? Whoa, my goodness!
Cock it again! Quick, back!
Hold it a little higher. Hold it a little higher. Put his fingers higher.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Not facing. Think you notice where they're all going?
Fire!
Go.
No, I think
I think we have a jam! The weapon is jammed! Right? Can we try? I think we have a jam. There's a jam!